I'm Maggie, a product marketer at Team-GPT, and today I'm going to show you our new image generation capabilities. You can now generate images directly inside your chats. This means that you can discuss ideas with the AI and create the visuals in that same chat. To generate an image, you simply need to start a chat with the AI. When you want to create the image, simply ask for it in your message. For example, I can type in, create an image of a workspace with a laptop, coffee cup, and plants. The AI will understand this request and generate the image right in the chat thread. No special commands or buttons needed. While chatting with the AI, you can also generate images in the sidekick. The split screen lets you continue your conversation while working on visuals. It's useful when you need to try different versions quickly. If your first image isn't exactly what you wanted, you can easily refine it. Simply tell the AI what changes you'd like to make. For instance, I might say, can you make it more minimalist? As you can see, the AI will create a new version based on your feedback. To download an image, click on the right button and save it on your laptop. All images you create are automatically saved to the image gallery. You can access it by clicking on Gallery in the left sidebar. The gallery gives you a central place to view, organize, and access all the images you have created. To get good results with image generation, be specific about what you want. Include details about the style, colors, and composition. Also, try to use descriptive language. Instead of make a nice logo, try maybe create a logo with blue and green geometric shapes. You can also refine step by step. Start with a basic request, then add more details based on what you see. And that's how to use image generation in Team-GPT. Thank you for watching.